Introducing the TKG LED Retrofit Kit from Precision Paragon P2. The TKG is a low-cost LED retrofit for prismatic troffers that delivers over 100 lumens per watt and can be installed in just 5 minutes. The TKG Retrofit Kit comes pre-assembled to enable a fast and easy installation. In fact, the installation you're watching right now took less than 5 minutes. Besides being an affordable retrofit kit to purchase, the TKG reduces costs by using the existing fluorescent fixtures, housing, and lens. Not only does this save material costs, it also helps to lower recycling and disposal fees. The TKG will deliver big energy savings with efficacies over 100 lumens per watt. With an LED lifetime of 60,000 hours, the TKG will also deliver significant maintenance savings long after your retrofit is completed. The TKG from P2, the LED retrofit kit with industry-leading affordability, quick, easy installation, and impressive efficacy.
To learn more, please visit p-2.com or contact the P2 Service Hub.